Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your battery percentage and opening settings now. Tap Battery, you'll see Low Power Mode at the top. Enable it immediately to stop background app refresh, automatic downloads, and mail fetch. Doing this early preserves life. You want processes paused before they drain more juice. Once done, watch the battery icon turn yellow. That visual confirms the state. Make sure to note which apps you rely on, because some features will be throttled while low power mode runs. You now refine behavior so low power mode fits your routine. In settings, reduce screen brightness and disable 5G for extended savings. These changes directly lower power draw. If you want automation, open shortcuts and create a personal automation to toggle low power mode at a chosen battery percent, for example 20%. This automates the decision and avoids emergency drain. Once that automation runs, make sure critical app notifications you complete the process by either leaving low power mode until the phone charges to about 80% or turning it off when full functionality is needed. If the battery percentage isn't improving, inspect settings right arrow battery health to check maximum capacity and recent activity by app to spot culprits. If low power mode won't toggle, restart your iPhone first. And if that fails, update iOS. Software bugs can block the feature. This final troubleshooting step resolves most toggle issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.